All right, this is my project for the next few weeks. 1987 Jeep Cherokee XJ 4.0. You can see the paint is worn off. That's all an old Rust-Oleum job that was done years ago. The original paint is underneath. Wheels are all oxidated or not looking too good. Inside, old style, red, burgundy. This driver's seat is messed up, broken. Kind of stinks in here. There's a leak. It has been sitting for 2 years. Somewhere there was a leak and this stuff's molded or whatever. Back piece is off, broken. The interior is not bad shape. It's just kind of dated with the colors and everything. So I've got some tan stuff that I'm going to try to put in here. See how that goes. I got some other pieces in here that I'll see what I can do. We're going to take these windows out, and I've got some got off a Wagoneer at the junkyard. Need to get some new struts that actually has these windows that actually have the chrome pieces inset in them from the Wagoneer, same year, 87. And then I also got these, oops, can you see them, tail lights, which if you see them, let's see if I can do this here. Yeah, if you see them next to the old ones, a little nicer looking, and also has that chrome. Just somebody painted the Wagoneer pink, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get out of that. Most of it's just a lot of cleanup. And the entire exhaust system, well, underneath, I'm going to replace because it's a little rough sound. I think it's got a cut in it. And yeah. This is the engine, kind of dirty, and that's going to be my first thing. I'm going to clean up the engine, and so you got some rust on some of these pieces. I'm going to take that care of that. Replace some of these wheels, replace the belt. You can see there's some rust marks on that. I'm going to clean that stuff up. I'm going to take off the valve cover. Got a much better gasket I'll put on there. I'm going to probably paint that, as well as a couple other pieces in here. So that is what we're looking at. And hopefully over the next few days, that's what we'll do. We'll see.